So please tell me your name.
Sir, my name is Rohit Bag.
Okay. And tell me your roll number.
My roll number is 315806.
Okay. 315806.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me a brief introduction, formal introduction.
So my name is Rohit Bag. I came from Khariar Road, Nuapada district. I did my post-graduation in biochemistry from University of Hyderabad, and I pursued my graduation from Ravenshaw University, Cuttack, and I did my 10th and plus 2 from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nuapada. Currently I am solely preparing for the civil service examinations.
Okay. So basically ଆପଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଦେବେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନଟା 3-4ଟା ଜିନିଷ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନରେ ମନେ ରଖିବେ। ଓକେ
ସାର୍
କ'ଣ ମନେ ରଖିବେ? ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷ ଯେଉଁଟା ଆପଣ ମନେ ରଖିବାର ଅଛି, ଓକେ, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କି ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନରେ ନାଁଟା ସେମାନେ ମନା କରିବେ କହିବା ପାଇଁ। ଯୋଉଦିନ ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ସେଠିକି they will tell you certain things to do, ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ରଖିବେ। ତା ଦେହରୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଜିନିଷ ହେବ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଟେଲ୍ ୟୁର ନେମ୍।
ଓକେ ସାର୍।
ନିଜ ନାଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁନି।
ଓକେ
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ନମ୍ବର 1। ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କହିବେ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡୋମିସାଇଲ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ନ କହିପାରିବେ ତ ସେ ଯାହା ବି ମନା କରିଦେବେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ହିସାବରେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନରୁ କାଢ଼ିଦେବେ ସେଇଟା।
ଓକେ
ଓକେ, ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନଟା କେମିତି ହେବ ନା ଆଉ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନରେ? ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ୍ ଖାଲି କହିବେ, ଏମିତି ନାହିଁ କି ମୁଁ ପିଜି କରିଛି। ଇଟ୍ସ ଅବଭିୟସଲି ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟୁଡ୍ ଆପଣ 10th ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଏଇ ଫର୍ମଟା ଥିବ
ଓକେ ସାର୍।
କି ତାଙ୍କ ଦରକାର ହେଲେ ପଚାରିଦେବେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ସେଥିରେ ଟାଇମ୍ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବେନି। ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି I've done my post graduation in here, ସେଇଟା କହିଦେବେ ସରିଲା। ତାପରେ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଟସ୍, I am currently preparing for civil service। ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା ହବିଜ୍। My hobbies are
introduction रे ही
introduction रे।
Okay.
My hobbies are playing cricket and my extracurricular activity includes national service scheme or volunteer of national service scheme।
Okay.
My special achievements include I have qualified all India rank 106 in CSIR UGC NET
Okay.
And JRF। Okay, so সেটা academic achievement।
Okay.
ঠিক আছে, national level under 19 cricket, okay, in 2013। so সেটা भी ଆପଣ କହିବେ that is extracurricular achievement in sports।
Okay.
project assistant in Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology 2016। okay, ଆପଣ ସେଠି ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ
ମାନେ ନା ମୋତେ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟ କରାହେଇଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କଲିନି। ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ତ ଲେଖିବାର ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ପଚାରି।
ସେଇଟା ଲେଖିବାର ନାହିଁ, ମାନେ you were offered that post but you did not join।
Yeah, I declined।
ତ ଲେଖିବେ selected for। okay, selected for National Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology as a project fellow ki jaha bhi। okay
sir।
no need of writing you accepted not accepted ठीक ଅଛି, ये तीनटा ହେଇଗଲା। ତ ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ achievement।
okay sir।
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ତ ହେଇଗଲା ତିନଟାର ଗୋଟେ achievement। ତ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, fine। tell me something about your home district।
I came from Nuapada district। In the district is in the western part of Odisha, and it is a neighboring district of Chhattisgarh state। In the north, west and south extent it shares the district shares its boundary in the north, west and south with Mahasamund district of Chhattisgarh। Famous places also।
yes, important places and also important personalities।
okay, the important places of my districts are, first one is Patora Dam, which is constructed on Jonk River, which is a right bank tributary of river Mahanadi, and it is also a favorite tourist destination A temple named Yogeshwar temple is situated near Potora. Second place is Tikhali Dam, which is constructed on Indra River. The river is a right bank tributary of Tel River, and it is important for the socio-economic development and irrigation purpose of the district. And third place is Sunabada Wildlife Sanctuary. So that's it.
What are the major problems or issues of your district?
Currently, the district is facing the major problem like migrant labor, unemployment, and scarcity of water. And due to frequent famine, also people are facing some issues in food security.
Food security.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So, tell me something about the geography of Nuapada, like major rivers, okay, and political geography, that is the boundaries of each of the or your neighboring districts or states.
The district shares its boundary in the north, west, and south with Chhattisgarh, and in the eastern part, the district shares its boundary with Balangir and Bargarh. And the major rivers in Nuapada district are Jong, Indira River, two major rivers only. Annual rainfall.
Major industries in your district?
It is basically agrarian and forest based.
Okay.
District.
What is the total forest cover of your district?
Sir, I don't know.
नहीं, जानते हैं?
No, sir.
Forest cover of your district, अच्छा, ठीक है.
I can tell rainfall, annual rainfall, 128 centimeter.
Okay, that's fine. So you were in Hyderabad for 2 years.
Yes, sir.
You were doing your masters there in biochemistry.
In biochemistry, sir.
NET in which year you qualified?
In 2019.
Same year.
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you join the academia? Like you could have joined, you could have gone for higher studies. So you got JRF also?
Yes, sir.
That means had you pursued PhD, you would have got a fellowship from the government?
Yes, sir.
What is the current fellowship being offered by the government of India?
Earlier it was 25,000, but from 2020 it increased to 31,000.
Okay. So any specific reason that you did not join that?
Sir, during my master's degree only I decided to do civil service examination, and I tried to give exams of civil service examination, but due to tight schedule of my master's semesters and other examination, I could not able to appear in these examinations. So I decided from that only after finishing my master's I will join or I will prepare for civil service examination.
Okay. So your first preference is Odisha Administrative Service.
Yes, sir.
Why you have given this preference?
Because it has more dynamic nature than other services like
ସେଇଟା କେବେ ଗୋଟେ comparison କରିବେନି. ଆପଣ just କହିବେ it is dynamic in nature, କି
Okay.
ଯାହା ଆପଣ କହିବେ job diversity whatever.
Okay.
Okay, but as compared to ଆସିଗଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଯିବ
Okay, okay.
ସେଠି ଦେନ୍ ଦେ ୱିଲ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୟାଚ୍ ହୋଲ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ୟୁ ଆଉ 50ଟା ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ପଚାରିଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ପଜିଟିଭ କହିବା କଥା ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ବିଷୟରେ
Okay.
ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ସେଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ଖାଲି କହିବେ
Okay. It is more diverse or dynamic only.
It is job diversity ହେଲା ସେଇଟା
Okay.
ଗୋଟେ ତାପରେ ଦେନ୍ what are the other reason ତିନି ଚାରିଟା reason ଦେବା କଥା ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଯୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିବେ that is your opinion ଏଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ enumeration କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ sir my first reason is this my second reason is this my third reason is this ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଓକେ ସୋ ଏଇଟା ଭାବି ଦେଇଥିବେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ସିଓର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସେ ଯୋଉ ବୁକଲେଟଟା ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା ସେଥିରେ ଯୋଉ ଯୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ସବୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
Okay.
ଆପଣ ସବୁର ପସିବଲ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ଭାବି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମନରେ
ମୁଁ
ନା
ଏପଟେ
ଦେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି?
ଦେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି.
ଦେଖିଦେବେ
Okay,
ଦେଖିବେ
okay,
ତା ବାହାରୁ ପୁରା କିଛି ଆସିବନି ଯାହା ଆସିବ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ଆସିବ
okay,
ଓକେ
okay, sir.
right so now coming to so in Hyderabad
Yes, sir.
which what are the three most important tourist places you visited
In Hyderabad, I visited Ramoji Film City, Golconda Fort, and Charminar.
okay now that some people are saying that the name of Hyderabad should be changed to its original name. What was its original name?
Bhagyanagar, sir.
Bhagyanagar. From where it has been derived? Bhagyanagar.
Sir, a ancient temple was situated near Charminar. So, recent visit of our Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, he hinted some ancient means he raised the issue like to change the name of Hyderabad to Bhagyanagar.
What is your opinion about this name changing business? If we change the name of cities, towns, etc., will it change the quality of administration or it will affect the quality of life of the people, common man?
Personally, I don't think so it will change anything in grassroots level or something, but if people are eager to change the name or if people are being happy in changing names, so let they may be.
Okay. Nuapada, what are the major tribes? What is the total tribal population in your district?
Tribal population in such percentage,
What are the percentages of this?
I don't know, means proper statistics I unable to recall right now.
Okay. What are the major tribes in your district?
Sir, major tribes are Banjari, Gond, then Bhil, and yeah, three
Okay.
major tribes.
So tell me something about their culture, their major dances, their food, clothes, and major festivals that they celebrate.
Sir,
ସେଟା ଟିକେ ପଢିଦେବେ
okay sir.
ସବୁ district
ସବୁ ମାନେ ଯେତେଟା ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ମାନେ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ଥ୍ରୀ ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ କହିପାରିବା. ତିନିଟା ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସର ସବୁ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ଆଟାୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ, ଡାନ୍ସ, ସଙ୍ଗ.
So then you did your 10th and 12th are from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, right?
Yes sir.
Tell me something about the goals and objectives of establishment of Navodaya Vidyalayas. What is the insignia and the motto of your school?
Okay, sir. So, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya was the brainchild of the late Prime Minister, the then Prime Minister, late Sri Rajiv Gandhi, and it was established in 1986. The first Navodaya was Jhajjar, Haryana, and Amravati, Maharashtra. It was implemented in a pilot basis in these two states, and later on it is spread throughout the India and except Tamil Nadu. And currently there are 661 JNVs, and the motto of JNV is come to learn and go to serve, and the insignia is Pragyan Brahma, means pure knowledge is God. Sorry. Sir, objective also. Objectives also.
Objectives of your school, you can say.
Objectives to penetrate rural literacy, to ensure the food security of backward and scheduled caste and scheduled tribe students. Third is national integration, and fourth one is only three. Let's see.
Okay. So similarly, tell me something about the insignia of Ravencha University.
The insignia of Ravencha University is Jnanam Eva Shakti, which means knowledge is power.
Then knowledge is power.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why it has been named Ravencha? It is named after whom?
It is named after the then governor of Odisha, T.E. Ravencha, Thomas Edward Ravencha.
Okay. So there is a demand that since he was a foreigner,
Yes, sir.
the name should be now changed on some son of the soil of Odisha. What is your opinion about this?
Sir, historically it has been a renowned institute in not only in Odisha but also in India. So I don't think by changing name the importance of the legacy of the institute may decrease or may decline. Sir, what should be the answer?
There is no, like, you have to give your opinion why you are in favor or why you are against it. Okay.
Okay.
So yes, he patronized it in the sense that he did something good, and at that time the concept was that one who patronizes, his name was given. Okay. So he helped a lot, that is why it was named after him. Not only the university, at that time it started from a school. Which is still there, collegiate school, and slowly the university, degree college, university was also there. Okay, but now if there is a demand to change it, then from that point of view, lot of things have to be changed from that
Yes, sir.
logic.
Yes, sir.
There are a lot of, for example, there is the Mission Road. There are a lot of things in Cuttack, not only in Cuttack, in different parts of Odisha, which are basically British heritage. Okay, the British have built it, and so from that point of view, you can say that I do not agree because it is a historical place and it should remain in that. New things which are coming up, modern universities, that you can name according to in the lot of other freedom fighters and eminent personalities are there.
Okay, sir.
Recently, Government of Odisha has notified some new medical colleges. In some new areas, medical colleges are opening up, government medical colleges. Can you tell me what are those places? Now, how many medical colleges are there in Odisha?
Currently 3.
No, 3, that is a old number. Now in other parts, medical colleges have opened up.
One is Burla and
Apart from Burla,
SCB,
okay,
Berhampur.
Yes, these 3 you leave. New medical colleges have come up, government medical colleges. এটা देखिए
सॉरी सर नोट कर दे
नोट से रखेंगे
ओके
डन Okay, then after that you went to University of Hyderabad.
यस सर
So you stayed there for 2 years. What is the relation between the, the residents of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana now, especially after the division?
डिवीजन
Is it cordial? Because in Telangana, both people are
Yeah.
living. In Hyderabad, both people are living.
यस सर not that much cordial I would say. I talked to one of my friend. He said that people to people relation are quite good, but in the administrative level the rift is there. Like before the division of the state, the distribution of water resources and allocation of funds and priority of certain areas were different. So people are in the administrative level there is a rift, but in people to people relation it is quite normal.
Okay. So you represented in the state in the national level under 19 cricket.
No sir, in my college level.
University, inter-university.
No sir, in college, I means junior college in
Okay.
Navodayas. In Navodaya Vidyalaya Samitis there are 8 regions. So I represented Bhopal region, where Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh are included.
You did your MSc in biochemistry.
Yes sir.
Why have you taken geography and home science as your optionals? Why not chemistry and biology or any other subject, science related?
Sir, geography is a interdisciplinary subject which covers various aspects of subject like economy, sociology, anthropology, ecology, etc. So and it also carries a significant mark in mains examination of civil services examination. And second thing, I thought geography is a conceptual language, so being a science student it will be easier for me to grasp the concept rather than any other subject. So I chose geography as one of my optionals. And home science also, it is also a multidisciplinary subject which covers topics like health and nutrition, time management, family management and community development program, and it grooms an individual to lead his family and society in a larger perspective to growth and development. And second thing, I covered most of the syllabus of the first paper of home science in my master's degree, that is health and nutrition. So I opted for these 2 optionals.
Okay. How will your knowledge of geography and home science help you in administration?
Sir, geography, which literal meaning is the study of earth, but as I said, it is an interdisciplinary subject which also covers the various dimensions of subjects like economy, sociology, anthropology, ecology, etc. So we can say that it is the study of space, and as an administrator it is important to know the geographical location of of that particular area where he has been posted. So to know the topography, river and forest cover etc. will be beneficial for the administrator. Second thing is to know the economic benefit of that area, particular area, like mines, fuel resources etc. And third thing is to know the social dimension of that particular area, like demographic statistics, racial configuration of that area, and age and sex ratio etc. to better know the people, and in the largest perspective to better know the society. So geography holds an imperative position in the better governance of that particular area. So for an administrator it will help in this way.
Okay. Do you have any idea about the ranks etc. in Odisha Administrative Service? The various ranks and various posts associated with those ranks?
Yes sir.
No?
Yes, I
Tell me then.
mean OS and like junior branch, senior branch.
What is the highest then? If that OS officer can go to?
Secretariat level.
Special secretary. Huh?
Yeah, special.
Okay. Fine. So, suppose you are a Tahsildar and your junior officer has called you at around 1 a.m. in the night.
Okay sir.
He is informing that illegal sand mining is happening.
Okay.
What are you going to do at 1 a.m.?
I would first inform the local police station and seek their help, and ask them to assist my junior to that area.
You will not go there?
If the situation is worse, then I would like to go
But how?
with proper security, and with proper security I would like to go.
With proper security.
Yes,
you
sir.
want to go. Okay. So, which magazine or newspaper you read for current affairs?
Sir, I used to read the Hindu, but recently the examinations and also
Hindu.
Yeah,
So,
yes.
who is the founding editor of Hindu and who is the current editor of Hindu?
I don't know sir.
এটা বার করি founding editor of Hindu. Hindu কি जो पेपर अपन
Okay sir.
ओडिया पेपर भी যদি কইবে তাহলে फाउंडिंग एडिटर करंट और फाउंडर किए फाउंडिंग एडिटर किए केते न्यूज़पेपर से दिटा अलग अलग लोग बताते फाउंडर एंड फाउंडिंग एडिटर
Okay.
एंड करंट एडिटर जो भी पेपर ना कइले एई तीनटा अपन जानिथिबा दरकार
Okay sir.
फाइन
Okay sir.
So how your knowledge of biochemistry,
Yes sir.
okay, molecular biology, microbiology, etc., how it is going to help you in administration?
Particularly not from the syllabus of biochemistry, but during my masters I did research work in field of yeast. So from that I took some experience like work ethics and patience, which are most important in your to get a desirable result. So those principles I can apply in my administrative ground.
So you like playing cricket?
Yes, sir.
In cricket, you know what is being timed out?
Timed out. If a batsman time out means
Time
new concepts of time out.
No, not that time out of IPL. I'm
Okay.
saying
Okay.
traditional
Traditional.
cricket, there is one way of getting out,
Okay. Okay,
which is
sir.
known as timed out.
Time out. If one batsman is got out and if another batsman come 1 minute late or something,
1 minute or what is that? That
I-
find it out.
okay. How much time, sir?
How many minutes? Within how many minutes he has to reach
This is the ground.
the ground? That you find out. 2 minutes or 3 minutes, whatever it is. Okay. What is mankading?
Mankading is a form of dismissal where if a batsman leave the popping crease before the bowler delivers the ball, then there is the option for the bowler to make him out from the non-striker end.
Okay. Fine. So, tell me something about the 5T initiative of Government of Odisha.
Okay, sir. The 5T initiative is under the Move Sarkar, the umbrella project of Move Sarkar, and 5T. The acronym of 5T are teamwork, time, transparency, and technology leads to transformation.
Okay.
Sir, how much?
What are the crickets? What are the values and things that you have learned from cricket, which is going to help you in administration?
Cricket teaches us how to be patient, how to plan your game in cricket, and how to plan things in administrative ground. Then it also teaches us teamwork, how to manage with the diverse situation and diverse personality. How can we accommodate in the single team? And it teaches us to accept loss and overcome with improvisation.
Okay. You have attended any camp under National Service Scheme?
No, sir. We did a road safety awareness program during our school in my 11th class, where we in the daytime we used to aware people about road safety by holding placards and by performing plays. And in the night time we used to go door to door village and try to educate them about road safety and all this stuff.
Okay. Fine. So that will be the end of the interview. तो आपनकर हैंड पोजीशन ए सब ठीक अच्छी केतेटा पॉइंट जोटा कहली सेटा देखिबे और टिके वीडियोटा एनालाइज करिवे
Okay, sir.
ओके और से जो 60 70 क्वेश्चंस रा टिके मिरर इंटरव्यू रे प्रैक्टिस करिवे
Okay, sir.
ओके मिरर सामने ठिया की से क्वेश्चंस रा आंसर्स देबे 40 मिनट रा सेशंस नेबे 2 आवर्स a day means तीनटा सेशंस करिवे on different aspects like one you can do for your optionals one you can do on current affairs one you can do overall personality
सर जेमती गोटे क्वेश्चन था 5T विषय तो आमे को एक्सटेंट पर्यंत कह मीन्स केबे लॉन्च हला
what is 5T
हां
example of okay how it is implemented each of the T's ro example तो time bound रो example हला ओडिशा state public you know service guarantee act से डाला तार example time रो okay time bound और timeliness रो सेमती सब रो example थी law गोटे सेटा आपण कहबे बुझबे
ओके सर
okay
ओके सर
so we will stop then and जो feedback टा देनी सेटा ठीक है ठीक है थैंक यू
थैंक यू सर